I bought this lipstick set by Physicians Formula from Winners for only $34.99. It has 14 piece lips. 13 of them are liquid velvet lipsticks and one is healthy lip transformer. And as you know, that the velvet lip colors, if you want to buy from Sephora, by any brand, it'll not cost you less than $30. And this here, you're getting 14 lipsticks for only $34.99. So it is a jackpot. Like, you can try all the different colors. Now, the first color I'm going to try here is called All Natural Nude. It's a basic nude color, a very pale color, which will go well with any skin tone. You just have to use the right lip liner for it. So this is how the swatch looks like. And the next swatch I'm going to do here is called the color Bear With Me. It's a little bit dark, but I would also consider it a nude color. Look at how beautiful it looks. And then the third shade here is called Nut-Ricious. It just looks as you have crushed the nuts, but mixed them in the butter, and you're using it as a lip color. It's beautiful. And after that, we have a color called Coral Minerals. Now we are transitioning to the pink shades. So this is the first pink shade in this set. And the next color is Dose of Rose. It's a beautiful pink color. And now we move on to the next color, which is Berry Healthy. I really love the names they have given to all the lip shades. So this is how the swatch looks like. Just like, you have berries on your lips. Um, the next color is called Magentle Formula. So for this, you'll see the red color. So this is how the pink shades look like. It looks like a hot pink to me. Now let's move to tulip treatment. This can be considered a red or a pink. That's what I think about it. Let me know what do you think in the comments. It's a beautiful color. And after that we have Red-storative Effects. This is a bit of orangey red. So, but in comparison to tulip, it looks like a dark red, but you'll see why I said that as I swatch more colors. After that, I have Fight Free Redicals. So this is a beautiful red, and you'll see this is a perfect color if you want a bold red lip. To me, this looks like a red leather. And the next color here is Vitamin Beet. This is also something you can consider a red or a pink. And the next color is Raisin Immunity. I believe this color is a little bit lighter version of Nut-Ricious, or maybe the similar version, but the same. And the final color here we have is Noir-ishing Plum. And this is how the swatch looks like. Now we will finally open up the Healthy Lip Transformer, which they say is exclusive to this pack. You can use it as is, or you can use it on top of the other lip shades. And I'll quickly try it on all the other colors. So I'm going to use a different brush because I don't want to mix the other lip colors to the transformer. So I'll just put a little bit more on my hand and use this brush to have half and half to look how it looks with and without it. And so far, as soon as I started swatching, I was falling in love with every color even more because the formula is beautiful. I mean, it stands for the name it has, and the price point is amazing. And I really wish I can go to Winners and buy 3 or 4 more packs of it because I believe I'll be using these colors. I love the colors. They're perfect for my skin tone and they're going to make a perfect gift as well. I remember purchasing this one 3 years ago as well. They come once in a while, and right now I can't find it online, but I'll keep an eye out. So if you guys know where to buy it, let me know in the comments. And if you want to see more videos like this on different lip colors, stay tuned because I'm bringing more stuff. And let me know what you think about this video. Thank you so much for all your love. Take care. Bye bye.